Hi and hello everybody. Welcome back to Rough and JD. Today we are going to be opening 2025 Rapido mystery box. So, with this, my mom had to get off the Canadian website, so we'll see if it's got the Canadian stuff in it or not. I don't know what it is at all. I see boxes, so let's get into it. I'm gonna save that guy. And it is exactly what I think it is for the Locomotive, but y'all will see. You know what? Screw it. We gotta open it here since it's the first thing I see. Alright, so. Packing peanuts. That's why I did not open it. We've got an H16-44, and it is in the CN livery, in the noodle scheme. Heck yeah. I need stuff from that. Okay, and here we got an ornament. This is last year's ornament. Right there. Need anything else before we hit in the rolling stock? Oh yes. We have the tumbler. Right there. Woo. Got there so it don't get broken or damaged or anything like that. And then, we got the sticker. I ordered a mystery box for the chocolate, and all I got was this lousy sticker. Goes for Rapido, bro. They're on point with this stuff this year. And then we got a chocolate coin, which is pretty neat. Did I get 2 glasses? I may have got 2 glasses. I did get 2 glasses. Is this one different in any way, shape, or form? It is, I think, slightly different. Here's the other one. Interesting. So did I, not get a beanie or something? I don't know. Figure that out here momentarily. I suppose. Yeah, it does not look like I got a beanie. But there's another sticker in here somewhere, hopefully. Maybe. Maybe I'll have to be dumping all this packing peanuts. Okay, so we got some intermodal containers here. Clark Transportation reefer containers. Gun point. No, not right there. Oh, we got wrapped cars too. Okay, fire. We got a Southern Pacific 5016 overnight king roof boxcar. I can't say I've seen one of these before. And then I'll get these all out on the way out here in a few minutes, and we will test these out. Oh, buddy! Heck yeah! Okay. We got an auto flood BNSF wedge scheme. That's fire, chat. Bro, I'm such a retarded. And then we got a Union Pacific, B-specific ship with Union Pacific, B4042 ACR boxcar in the delivery scheme. This item number is 105478. And I am going to go and heavily look through this box. Heavily. Because supposedly I'm supposed to get another sticker or something. Maybe. Or maybe they just didn't have another sticker. My mom did order these late, so, and they did say while supplies last, so I honestly, yeah. So that is it for that. I guess I will do that. So I'll talk to y'all guys when I get on the layout. Okay, everybody, we're gonna start the unboxing stage here. So we're gonna start with unboxing our Southern Pacific boxcar here. My pocket knife. Big thanks to Rapido if they're watching this. Y'all keep doing this. I love it. Hopefully next year I'll get one too. This is the first time in 4 years my parents have gotten one of these for me because, you know, I'm broke. I'll probably bring the so here's it without the plastic wrapping on it. Uh-oh. I broke the box. And then with this we get a little Rapido Trains Inc. sticker. Graded. I love Rapido. And then we got a little parts diagram. Wonderful for Rapido for sending that. love Rapido stuff, man. Alright, so here we got the box car. Under weather detail as always with Rapido. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for a second. So after struggling for about a minute and a half with getting that away, we are going to open these intermetal containers now. And I'm just going to use my existing well cars for these as well, since I did not. Ow! Dang, staples are sharp, man. Alright, so it does not look like we got a sticker with these. So here's the first one. Wonderful details always. You got the refrigeration unit right there. And kind of the same thing right here as well. Let me know if y'all like these unboxing videos in the comments below. I don't know if y'all do or not. We're gonna save that for last. Alright, woo! Hope that got caught on video. Alright, so with this one we got the same sticker again. Different diagram this time. There's that diagram. Y'all can stop, pause, and read that if y'all would like to. Parts diagram right there. Explains a little bit about the product. We got this little thing. I believe it's a handbrake mechanism. Right there. For the car. Ooh, I like this car. Oh, buddy. I love this car. It's got a little bit of issues right there, but that's okay. That's honestly a really clean box car. You got the under detail as always with Rapido. Let's slide this guy on the track too. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna pause this while I pack that up. Alright, folks, I'm back here for my favorite car out of this box. The Rapido Bethgon Gondola. Loaded from BNSF. I don't have any of these cars, which will be interesting to see on my layout, because I don't have any like modern full cars on it. Oh, okay, what is this thing? Oh, I believe this is for the load. It comes with some magnet thing. Interesting. And it's kind of like a mirror or something. I don't know. And it also comes with the exact same sticker again, with a little bit of information on the auto flood car. You can go ahead and pause if you'd like to read that. Let's figure out details of this car. Beautiful train car right here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It does, oh, okay. It does have the removable coal load, so you can take that out, and there's the inside there. Beautiful car. I mean, this is probably one of the best train cars, if not the best rail cars I have in my entire fleet in my collection. And there's it with it on. I'll get back to you when I have this cleaned up. Folks, here comes the moment we've been waiting for a little bit. The locomotive we received, the 816-44 locomotive. There's a little bit of styrofoam there, whatever. Across from the pallet it came on. As you know, this is the CN noodle scheme with lock sound and DCCN sound with it. The road number is 2217. So, this is my first Rapido locomotive. So, I love their manuals. They're absolutely amazing. I just love the amount of detail in these. And one side's in French because it's Canadian. And it gives you all the list of all the different functions. I think I'm on the actual French side right now, I guess. There's the functions for it, and we will go over there. I only have 2 F10s, so that'll be interesting. Alright. So stickers we got for this, we've got this one, which is honestly a really good one. Then I like Model Trains more than I like most people. That's a pretty good one. And then Rapido Trains Funk. Pretty good stickers. And then we go here. Then we got the Locomotive right there. We got some detail parts. You got the codes, barcodes there for the Locomotive for hump service, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong though. Oh, okay. And now we're gonna, more foam to fight with. I'm just gonna move this box down here for a moment while I get this undone. Please hold with me, folks. Oh. Nothing on the tracks. Here we go. We got the all brass, I think brass metal handrails, the see-through fans. Kind of bland front, but you know, that's a-okay. Got the bottom there. It comes with those derail things. Honestly, this has got to be one of the best models I have in my layout in general. It is awesome. So, let's quit gazing at it and get on the layout. Alrighty, everybody, let's excuse me here. I am getting the modules set up here. Alright, and, oh, we have number board lights, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn power off right there. I think. Yep. Alright, so we've got F, boom, and then F8. Really nice sound on it. Alright, so F, headlight, bell, horn. Fire. Alright, so F7 is supposed to be class lights. You got white, red, and I guess just those two. And then directional headlights. Boom, boom. Alright, I'm gonna get this thing out on the main here. And then we'll get her going. Okay. Let's switch. I guess we're having an issue.